everybody, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Bryce, and in this video I am going to be stretching out my type 4 natural hair, and then we're going to take measurements and we're going to do our rice water. So about 8 months ago I did flat iron my natural hair, and after a week or so I trimmed it, and I would say about an inch or so, and this is what it was looking like after I trimmed the hair. In about 3 months after that trim, I trimmed my hair again. So in total I've trimmed my hair twice this year, about removing about 2 inches, I would say. So in order for me to do my current length check, I washed my hair and then I moisturized it and left it to dry in twists, which I've unraveled, and I combed it out, but it wasn't stretched enough, so I went ahead and used my round blow dryer to stretch it just a little bit. By the way, it works better on my damp hair. Anyway, so that's my hair after I blow dried it a little bit, and we're going to go ahead now and do our measurements with tape. So at the moment I really want to grow my natural hair out now, so my plan is to only trim my hair once a year because I do too much and also yeah, just keep my hair healthy, you know. So I measured, and the front of my hair is about 10 inches. I also did do African threading later because it was so hard for me to use the tape to measure my hair. The crown as well was about 10 and a half inches. All right, and that's what the sides are looking like. So I have to try and keep my hair healthy first of all, because just because I'm gonna be trimming less does not mean I'm going to still gain length, right? Because my hair can break off. So the plan is to keep my hair healthy. So like I said, I did do African threading, and the side of my hair is about 11 inches with the African threading. So because the African threading is able to stretch the hair more and make it easier for me to measure. Anyway, so all in all the way around my hair, I'm between 10 inches and 11 inches. So I wanted to do this measurement so that we can have something to compare it with. After 1 year of me not trimming my hair, I want to see how my ends are gonna be looking. Anyway, so we're gonna start doing the rice water. I'm using uncooked rice. You can use any rice of your choice. So I used half a cup of rice, and I'm going to rinse it in cold water, and I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water to the rice, and I'm going to be soaking it and leave it for 2 days. I left it at my windowsill, and honestly my one was not smelly, and I think it's because it's like winter already here. So yeah, it wasn't smelly at all, but I've seen people add different things to it, but I'm just gonna keep my one plain for now. So my wash day is going to be exactly the same with all the products that I used for my hair. The only thing additional is the rice water. I am going to first start by shampooing my hair, or if it's a day that I'm going to be doing a pre-poo, then I'll do my pre-poo and then I'll shampoo my hair. After that is when I will apply the rice water to my hair. I did it in sections though, just to make it easy on myself. So I applied the rice water after shampoo, and then I covered it with a plastic cap. I tied the bottom of it just that it doesn't drip all over me, and I left it. Well, they said leave it for like 20 minutes, but you know, I left mine a little bit longer than that. So I rinsed it out, and yeah, that's what my hair is looking like. So I applied a conditioner after that. All right, I can do a full wash day routine for you guys with the rice water. If you would like me to, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.